Hello Mzansi, umgozi ojuicy here. Hayi buyani guys, buyani. Nasi isigaca lesinye. Ngihlala ngisho ngithi tindzaba tebantu labayi-2 atingweni hayi boom. Khaya Zuma athi stand out for ifamily yakwaZuma. La Xonxo was very wrong kuthi ahamba yokhuluma public about the president of MK, ukuthi how they started dating. How guys? Kanti banjani abantu bakaZuma. So la Xonxo bathi she was not supposed ukuthi reveal ukuthi bahlangana njani no Jay-Z ukuthi what happened. Kanti kumanga whatever uLaNxoxo is saying. Kanti kumanga. Mina I say go on girl. Sitshele about your relationships. Sitshele how kuthi kuqale njani, kuphele njani. Hayi, entertain us Mugel. We want to know ukuthi president wenzani, ex-president. We want to know every details. Continue Mugel. The family nje ayichubeke ngikhipha into double private, but wena Mugel chubeka, tell us what really happened. And they say, okay, Nonkanyisa is wrong cause kunomntwana lo mntwana kusho ukuthi akaka-protect. How can a mother anga-protect umntwanakhe? Continue Mugel. Tina, we love you, we love your stories, we love everything that we are telling us. Siyayilalela nje, we listen and we'll continue supporting you. Amandla woman. Aluta continua Mugel. Ayasazi. Okay guys, thank you so much for listening to my channel. Continue to like and subscribe.